Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and we are unboxing the Happy Planners Disney Villain Made for Mayhem box. It's one of the new Be Happy boxes. This one comes out. I'm going to put the date right here, and let's open this up and check it out. Okay. Let's see, we've got the box here says, "Dark deeds are so delightful." I know this looks like Haunted Mansion to me. I don't know. Okay, let's check it out. Like the wallpaper? I don't know. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. Wild and Wicked. I love how it's like die cut out. This kind of tells you everything that's inside. All right, first up, we've got the sticker book, Dark Hearts. So let's kind of check it out here. I'll put it right here. We can flip through it. I love it. Maleficent, she is one of my favorites. And we've got some boxes, different shapes. At first I thought those were individuals. Well, yeah, actually they are. Okay. And then, ooh, these are really pretty with the crows, the green. Oh, this has some green foil. I love this one and that one. And then we've got Hades. So they each have like their own like little section with about 3 pages. And then we've got the blue foil. Of course you knew it was going to be this blue color. Oh my gosh, Cruella de Vil. I love all the little quotes. Oh my gosh, she is, I don't know, I have like 3 favorite villains, I think. Well, no, maybe 4. I don't know. She's definitely one of them. So we've got all of our little Cruella de Vils. And then Ursula, she's another fave. I love the purple foil. I love that. Oh, these are so cool. All right, then we've got Scar from The Lion King. They've got little skulls, and It's Good to Be Bad with the bone. I'm Surrounded by Idiots. That's also one of my faves. Little quotes there. All right, then we've got Mother Gothel. It's so funny because, like, compared to the others, for me, she doesn't look as, like, I don't know. She doesn't look as, I mean, I know she's mean, but look at her. Anyways, okay. Evil Queen, definitely a fave. We've got the apple and this, like, burgundy foil. Okay. Oh, I love those. It almost has, like, a vintagey feel to it. Then we've got some washi strips. Lots of washi strips for each one. Okay, these are for Ursula, and they're all the poor unfortunate souls. Look at that. That's cool. Okay, I don't know what this is. Are these washi strips? I can't tell. Like, I don't feel anything cut. I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, no, it's washi strips. Okay, I could not, so you can kind of see it there. I could not feel it. It was so smooth. I was like, where are they? Okay, so those are washi strips. And then we've got some boxes and some really unique and new shapes there. And then we've got some little trios. Those are cool. And then we've got quotes with the gold. We've got all of the villains. And then we've got it in this like deep purple burgundy-ish color. And then we've got some more of these larger ones with some quotes. Okay, so that is the sticker book. Okay, next up, this is like a calendar, one of those kind of perpetual, I'd say, calendars where you put the date. You can either, so you've got all the different, you know, numbers here. And then here it's got I guess, like today's mood. Or you also have a holiday, so you can kind of flip it and use it how you want. You can make notes on these little cards. So it's like a little perpetual calendar you can have on your desk. Then there's a pen pouch. This has like that purple and then all of the villains. It's the kind that you can just like attach onto your planner. Put all your stuff. Let's see what's inside. Like a purple. So it's like a faux leather. Okay, we'll check out the next thing. What's this? This looks like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, so it's a notebook. So it's like a mini little notebook, which like a Happy Notes. And for me, this is probably this is a really good size. I like that it's small, taking matters into my own tentacles. And then oh my gosh, look how cute. And then we've got It's Good to Be Bad. And then more paper. That's a cute little mini. And then we've got a page marker, or I guess bookmark, that you can put in your classic size planner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Yeah, this would go in a classic. Because I feel like it would be, I mean, you could use it in here. It would just stick out with this extra one there. But this is definitely for a classic with all the villains. And then we've got a notepad. This one's gummed at the top, so they stick together. And you can like take notes and then tear a sheet off and put it in your planner. This I think would go in the classic because it's a little bit, yeah, too big for the mini. But it's perfect to add little notes into your planner. And then next up, we've got some, looks like extra paper, like kind of note paper. And it's themed. So this one is probably for Scar because I see all the different, yeah, so it's got Scar. It says, forgive me for not leaping for joy. So we've got Scar. Let's see who else. I should have taken them all out. Wait, I'll do that. That'll be easier to see it that way. Okay, and then this one is, oh, I see the shell, so that's got to be Ursula. And it's purple, that should. Yep. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? That's so fun. Okay, so we've got Ursula. Okay, blue, this has got to be Hades. Yep, another day ruined by responsibility. Perfect. And then let's see. Oh, that's still Ursula. Hold up. Who's this one? Oh, I should have known by all of the like thorns. Maleficent. Now you shall deal with me. That's really cool. Okay, so that's extra, just fun paper to kind of put in your planner. And then now we've got a deluxe planner. And this one you can see it's embossed, like, and then we've got some gold and all their different kind of icons are on here. And then these discs, I don't know if you can see it there. Wait, let me get my hand. It's got like Maleficent. Can you see the horns there? And they're like a, it's almost like a burgundy, but it's like a little bit lighter metallic metal discs. Let's take a look inside this planner. All right, let's see what we've got here. This is an undated, so you've got your days. You've got your months that you can put on your tab. And then this is a pretty intro page. And then we've got big plans and evil ideas. And then your monthly, it's got all the characters, some space here, and just kind of free to write on. And then we've got our monthly. just kind of a fancy little notes, and then all the design down the center that you can date. And then it's got a very clean weekly, and we've got the Evil Queen here in the corner. I'm guessing these are all gonna change. And there's Hades, Maleficent, Mother Gothel, Ursula, and Scar. And then we start over again. I like this foil. I tried to behave, but I got bored. And let's see if it's gonna, yeah. So it looks like it repeats. Let's just make sure. Yeah, we've got the same. Well, hold on. Yeah, Mother Gothel, yeah. Ursula and Scar. Okay, so now let's just look at the dividers. Have all the wayward souls your dark little heart desires. She wasn't scared of the fire. She was the fire. That one's great. Taking matters into my own tentacles. We've got some blue foil with some of the icons and the little swirls there. Dark deeds are so delightful with this like rainbow gold foil. It's good to be bad. Maleficent and the crows. And then Made for Mayhem. And this one kind of has like blue, but like these like fractal. Can you see that? That one, that foil is different. That's really cool. It almost looks like chunky glitter in a way. If you can see that. And then Another Day Ruined by Responsibility. And Forgive Me for Not Leaping for Joy. So this one, let's check out that last little note page. Yeah, it's got a, we've got Scar there, little Scar page. So this deluxe one, again, it's 12 months, but it is undated, so you can use it and date it and start whenever you want. So this is the Be Happy box, and I'll put the date it will be available. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Let me know below also which is your favorite villain. And I would love it when you go to shop if you can click my affiliate link that is listed in the description. And if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching and have an amazing week ahead.